Okay, so we are going to be working from the VCAA 2006 Exam 2, Section 1, Question 22. So the question says, which one of the following could be the graph of y equals a log base e x minus b, where a is less than 0 and b is greater than 0. So the first thing we need to think about here is this part right here. And what does a log function look like? So straight away with a log, oops. Straight away with a log function, we know a log function is automatically going to go through the x-axis at 1. So it's going to be looking like this. That's the first thing. This b is a horizontal shift. Because it says b must be greater than 0, if I put in, say, 2, and go y is equal to log base e x minus 2, so it's 2, b is a positive, then that means there is a horizontal shift over 2 spots. So that means I'm going to then draw another graph, and instead of being at 1, I've moved it over 2 spots. So again, that's going to be over here. So that means I'm going to have a dotted line, that should be 3, so at 2. Because it won't equal 2. So that's the first thing that I need it to do. The second thing, we need to look at A. And it says where A is less than 0. So if I say less than 0, straight away I know it's going to be a negative. So I need to think about what happens when I have a negative in front. So straight away, I'm going to just put y is equal to negative log e x minus 2. Now that means it's going to be reflected, and this is equal to y, so the y values turn to negative. So it's going to be reflected in the x-axis. So which means this graph is now going to still have an asymptote at 2, but it's going to look more like this. This resembles our C. So we're just applying our transformations to see what is going on with our graph.